Yeah, I told you. Very big sizes. Yay, Nat?
Hello, for today's first product Shopee review, we've got Yummy 3-piece set DIY dumpling maker, mold dough, pressed meat, pie, pastry, empanada. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. So, una siya, then red, blue, o green, kanang blue-green ba ni? No, red, white, and blue. So, inot man may, nikuha na may free shipping voucher. So, imbes na 203, sa halagang 203 pesos, naging 158 na lang ang aming babayaran. Okay guys, prepare your rollers. Color white yung pinakamaliit is 10 centimeters or 4 inches. Yung color blue-green is 12 centimeters and 4.7 inches. Yung color red, yung pinakamalaki is 15 centimeters which is 5.9 inches. Ito yung dough. Ito naman yung vegetable. Tapos, ito try na natin kung effective pa siya. Roll, 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 roll. Tapos, push and up. Yan. Nangmuka na siyang flour. Lagyan ng vegetable, cheese, and close. Tapos press ng maigi. Press lang ng press. Open. Ooh. Ito na yung kinalabasan. So that's it. Please like and subscribe for more product.